You're a journalist. Don't you want to be taken seriously?
No, I'm cute.
Okay, well, if you really think this is going to help your image.
Hi, Becky. Boats, boats, boats. Robin, little help here.
Robin, you gotta not worry so much about being liked.
Easy for you to say. Everybody loves you at your job.
That was true of my teaching job, but I was also designing the new headquarters for Goliath National Bank. And well...
Ted Mosby, we don't like you! What do you have to say for yourself? Tearing down a beautiful old building just to put up a stupid bank headquarters.
Who? Freaking who?
Freaking who, that's it? The Arcadian is an architecturally significant...
Architecturally significant. Zoe, you're very pretty. Your hair smells great.
Shampoo. We should try it sometime.
You know the first thing about architecture.
Key, Ted Mosby's car. Come on.
I'm a professor, okay? I teach this stuff at one of the best colleges in the country. I go down to your place of non-employment and lecture you about how your little protest is a misguided waste of time. Except, whoops, I just did. A burn.
Oh, good. The eggs are here.
Well, I should head up.
No, GMB was not popular. That's why every year they produced a feel-good video to improve the bank's image. What makes Goliath National Bank different from other big banks? Here at GMB, we care.
I care about our precious Earth.
I care about old people.
I care about high-yield offshore investments. And so does Tugboat here. Isn't that right, Tugboat? Yeah. Okay, get that camera out of my face before I flip you like a cheese omelet. All you have to do is say, I care about making dreams come true. First of all, that line makes me sound like a hooker, and saying it makes me feel like a hooker. Everyone is in this video. Randy's in the video. I don't want to brag, but in 29 takes, I only throw thrice. Randy, did you send the Hermanson contracts downtown? I did. Downtown.